This is C Products Defense presentation. Today we're going to be testing a new 7.62x39 magazines in 30, 20, and 15 rounds. All these magazines are out or coming out in 2014. Just for you. Here's a great picture of all the magazines together. Magazines are going to be tested against the GMC Sierra half-ton truck with an AK-47 magazine. Those magazines pop when they get run over. That's the gravel underneath them disintegrating. Here we see the magazines laying out. Later on we'll see where the gravel disintegrated in the magazines, but let's check the AK magazine first. This magazine was made in China by Norinco, and it just had some problems. As you can see, the bottom core plate is crushed, as well as the top feed lips dented so that they wouldn't feed the rounds out of the magazine. The follower was also pinned by that giant dent. The C Products Defense magazine, 30 rounds, had none of these problems. The Isonited body with Rockwell hardness of 63, the CNC construction guaranteed its integrity when it got run over. A minor dent on the body, minor dents in all the magazines, but nothing to stop them from functioning. It took a licking and it kept on ticking. For your money, these magazines are tougher than an AK or your AR.